How much pagal?
Very much pagal.
How much very much pagal?
Very much pagal.
Very much pagal. Wow!
Yeah.
So अब हम घर पे ले लो सर मम्मी से मिलाता हूँ
Are you somebody who shares fries? Oh, he's really distracted by his food.
सर समझे इतना कंजूस आशिक हूँ था एक पर्क ग्लूकोज आता था ऐसा दो पर्क होते थे उसके अंदर तो मैं एक अपने खाया था दूसरा स्टेपल करके दिया
Yeah, what's your रोने वाला song?
There's this song called Another Love. All my tears have been used up on another love. It's a very sad song. You're Punjabi?
Yes.
नहीं पंजाबी हूँ तैਨੂੰ आनी चंगी तरह पंजाबी
नहीं मैं पंजाबी is very weak.
देख कि पंजाबी आ मैं गा कर लेंदा पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ
ਮੈਨੂੰ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਮੱਕੀ ਦੀ
ਆਉਂਦੀ।
ਰੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਸਰਸੋਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਗ ਖਾਓ ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ
How mean. I'm not talking to you now.
Okay, bye.
So आज I am on a date with Mihir. Not Mihir Virani. Mihir Ahuja है यार. You know the Archies का Jughead Jones. I'm here waiting to pick him up. So थोड़ा सा wait करना पड़ेगा. But let's see how this date goes. So हमने ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया है. ओके मीर मुझे पहले ये बताओ. आई एक्चुअली वांट टू नो समथिंग.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
What do you want to know?
चीयर्स कर ले.
अच्छा, sure. Cheers. Straw है भी है और कैसे पीऊँ बताओ It's fine.
But that's so cute.
हाँ जी बताओ You were
See,
saying?
you're an actor and I know that already. But who is Mihir?
You'll get to know
कुछ
today.
तो बताना पड़ेगा ना.
अभी तो डेट शुरू हुआ है हम अभी मिले हैं You want to know everything in the first minute of the date? Just wait for the day for the
So you're trying to be mysterious or what?
yeah
You said you're an emotional fool.
yeah a bit yeah.
ऐसा क्या किया है? बताओ जरा. कहानी तो सुनो ना.
नहीं यार जब हार्ट ब्रेक्स तो हुए हैं ना सबके तो आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड विद हैंडलिंग हार्ट ब्रेक्स
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just with myself for like a month, 2 months, and then I'm an emotional fool. I just let it all out.
So
And
do you like
I'm
cry
not like
or what
yeah,
do you do?
Cry, I cry, and I listen to all these emotional songs. मेरा playlist ही change हो जाता है.
Yeah, what's
2-3
your
महीने
रोने
में.
वाला song? What's your crying playlist?
There's this song called Another Love. All my tears have been used up on another love. It's a very sad song.
So you listen
Yeah.
to that to cry.
Yeah. So whenever I have like emotional scenes as an actor, and when I'm not able to tap that emotion for some reason, you know, because technicalities बहुत होती है shoot पे, और आप वो emotion नहीं touch कर पाते हो बहुत बार, because एक minute में आपको change करना है emotion. So I use that song at times. Another Love.
So you will listen to your crying playlist to cry when you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. What about you? Are you an emotional fool?
I have been. I think also like I'm the kind of person who gives too much in a relationship. Like if I'm in love,
Yeah.
ये आधा अधूरा नहीं होता
Yeah,
मुझसे.
me
ये
too, me too.
situationships and all नहीं होते मुझसे. I am either absolutely
Yeah.
obsessed with this person and in love, like not like crazy obsessed, but like a really nice,
Yeah.
mad in love obsessed with this person, or I'm just not, or I'm just like
Me
very
too.
cold.
True,
Like there's
true.
no in between for me. And when I'm obsessed and I'm in love with this person, then I will do things that are very out of character. Like I will do things that you do not expect me to do. Like I'm this person. Like my mom was shocked when I used to wake up like 5 a.m. in the morning to cook breakfast for
You've got
my.
very pretty eyes, by the way. Yeah. So you were saying something? I was not listening to you. Genuinely,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
अब मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई थी. मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या बोल रही थी.
मुझे भी नहीं याद मैं यहाँ क्यों हूँ मैं हूँ कहाँ और बताओ
And-
Where are you from?
Okay, take a guess. Take a wild guess.
So you're not from Mumbai. Give me a hint.
I will. Somewhere north.
Somewhere north. Delhi.
Do I look like a Delhi की लड़की?
ऐसे
मैं
look.
offend हो जाऊंगी. I'm a very Bombay girl.
But you're not from Bombay. You're from North, you said.
I've been in Mumbai now for like what 15 years.
North, East, Northwest.
अब इतना नहीं देने वाली, मैं सभी बता दूँ, एड्रेस तो दे दूँ.
दे दो इतनी जल्दी. अभी तो आए, पहले कुछ खा तो ले.
घर तो यहीं पे, उसके लिए तो पंजाब का एड्रेस देने की जरूरत नहीं.
पंजाब बता तो दिया.
हाँ.
यार पंजाबी.
Yes.
मैं ही पंजाबी हूँ. तेनू आंदी चंगी तरह पंजाबी.
नहीं, मैं पंजाबी is very weak.
ਤੇ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਆ.
Okay.
ਮੈਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ.
ਮੈਨੂੰ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਮੱਕੀ ਦੀ
ਆਉਂਦੀ.
ਰੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਸਰਸੋਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਗ ਖਾਓ, ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ.
ਲੈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖਾਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਾਂਦੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ. I'm just happy knowing that you're a Punjabi.
Okay, mummy approved?
मम्मी देखी जाएगी पहले. I've approved already.
You've approved already.
Approved.
Dating in your teens versus dating in your 20s. What has it been like?
I think maturity आ जाती थोड़ी. You try and understand. See, as kids in school, it's just infatuation. We call it love, but it's not love. We think it's love, but it's not love. But for some people, it is. I've known friends who've dated for 14, 15 years and they met in school and they've got married.
But don't you feel like वो जो स्कूल में बचपन में प्यार होता है वो it's very pure.
It is very pure. It is.
It's like different.
Yeah, it is. So I remember, so when I was in love in school, मैं इतना कंजूस आशिक हूँ था. मैं तो
I like how you clarified था.
ना of course था, अभी नहीं हूँ. तो
Feminist
you know
way नहीं.
एक पर्क ग्लूकोज आता था ऐसा. दो पर्क होते थे उसके अंदर. एक बिग पर्क
हाँ वो
ग्लूकोज.
एक हाँ.
तो मैं एक अपने खाया था, दूसरा स्टेपल करके दिया.
You done that?
लड़की को प्रपोज करना था तो, और वो भी ना स्कूल में किसी का बर्थडे था. तो वो बांटते हैं ना चॉकलेट, तो वो चॉकलेट अपने खरीदा नहीं 10 रुपए का चॉकलेट. तो उसमें से आधा अपने खाया, आधा स्टेपल करके खुला हुआ क्या कर दिया.
And propose कैसे किया?
चॉकलेट देके आई लव यू बोल दिया सीधा जाके. ना जान ना पहचान, सीधा मैं तुम्हारा मेहमान.
मैं तुम्हारा होने वाला बॉयफ्रेंड. I love you.
आई लव यू. एंड शी लाइक हु आर यू.
फिर
I was like section D, you are A. You don't know me? I know you.
yeah.
Sorry sir. हाँ जी आ जाइए. What is this? Okay.
But उसके बाद रिजेक्ट हुए या?
नहीं रिजेक्ट हुआ था. रिजेक्ट हुआ क्योंकि यार बेवकूफ़ी है ना ये. तो आप ना जानते हो किसी को पहले, तो आप यू शुड नो दैट पर्सन ना. आई जस्ट लाइक दैट. आई वाज इन ऑ ऑफ हर एंड आई लाइक एक पर्क से शायद ये मेरी हो जाए. इसे जाकर उसे पर्क दे दिया, वो भी आधा 5 रुपए का पर्क. बट आई मीन स्कूल लव इज़ फन. इट्स फन यार.
What about your 20s?
20s, it's been pretty boring to be honest. If you talk about love.
But versus your teens and then 20s में date
What's
किया
the
है.
difference?
Yeah, what was it? What was?
As
what
I
was
said,
different?
it's you're much mature. फिर आप 5 रुपए का पर्क नहीं देते हो जाकर. आपको पता
क्या
है कि
दिया?
आपका फिर एक साथ ही काफ़ी होता है. गिफ्ट्स मैटर करता है at some point. It's a way of showing love. But उससे ज़्यादा फिर आप रियलाइज़ करते हो when you're mature. दोनों की कंपनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. In your lows and in your highs, you need that person to be there for you. जब आप
but-
celebrate कर रहे हो, you want that person to celebrate with you. When you are sad, you want someone in your life, right? For a support. So it's more of
Somebody to, like,
support.
be there
It's
for
more of support and company in your 20s. खाता मैं तो खाया नहीं हूँ. You want avocado?
How mean. I'm not talking to you now.
Okay, bye. I just want my food. See, I'm Jagger in real life. When I see my food, I can't see anyone else. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
But are you somebody who shares fries? Wow, he's really distracted by his food.
Is that something?
How mean. How mean you're ignoring your date.
Fries. I don't like fries.
But like, are you okay with sharing food?
Yeah.
I see your body language is changing.
Okay. Yes.
I didn't ask you to stop eating. I continue.
Okay.
मैं
Yeah, it's
रोक
changing.
नहीं रही. But I was just noticing.
You're noticing me a lot, I see.
Ajay, tell me this. So considering the job, the kind of job that you have, it's of course something that takes you to places. You're away for a while. How do you plan to like deal with a relationship in a job like this?
See, anything requires time. Anything. If you want to be successful in that path, be it your career, be it acting, be it relationships, it requires a certain time. You have to give time to your partner. And abhi at this moment, I think, बस वहीं पर lag कर रहा हूँ.
Time.
If yeah, if you are not able to give that time to your partner, then things don't end up as you wish them to be. But love is very important. Like some people believe that okay, you're just gonna work and you're gonna stay single for the rest of your life. You're not gonna marry or date anyone. I believe at one point, ठीक है पैसे आ गए, काम हो गया, सब चल रहा है. You need that someone in your life who you
Yeah,
can
somebody
go
to
and
like-
talk to. You can share your feelings with.
And you want somebody to fall back on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
like,
just to discuss, just to talk, yeah, just to have fun. And of course, you're having fun when you're working, but it is important to have someone in your life.
tell me this. What's your love language? Like mine is acts of service.
Acts of service.
Like I'll do little things. Like I'll just like cook for my partner, or like, you know, if I see he needs something that he's not maybe put in his bag before leaving, I'll just put that in.
Oh my God, that's a very tough question you've asked me.
What do you do when you're in love, Mihir?
I always have this vision कि proposing your loved one in front of the Eiffel Tower.
Oh my God, the
पता
classic.
नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं वो चीज़ जितना क्लीशे या ये साउंड हो, बट मुझे वो बहुत पसंद है. Genuinely, just taking like a diamond ring and she'll be wearing a white gown, I'll be wearing a white prince, like a proper suit, and there'll be a white horse. I want that tradition.
Like that classic.
That classic
oh my
love
God.
story. Background में ओपरा आ गया कुछ, some music.
Can we not have Bollywood?
बॉलीवुड के साथ हाँ हो सकता है. उसके बाद eventually we'll break into Bollywood. Eventually we'll
It
break.
has to be Bollywood, yeah.
It has to start with some somber music and very like, you know, what do you call that music? Jazz.
Like jazz or like the keyboard, or
हाँ,
something of that
हाँ.
sort.
Eventually it can break into धत्तेंगे नाच गंदी बात गंदी. It has to break into that. तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा. Just start with आराम से किसी का हाथ नहीं है. Sorry. It's too early for that. Janvi.
मुझे tease कर लो तुम पहले. दिल तोड़ दिया.
Do you want to go out somewhere?
Yes, I think I will take you out for.
No, I will take you. You got me here. No, I'll take you. Come.
Okay. ठीक है.
चलो.
Let's go.
Oh, you like sweets?
Not as much, but I don't mind ice cream.
Okay. रिक्शा?
आगे वाला.
क्यों? ये रिक्शा ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
आजा. You like rickshaw rides?
हाँ.
हाँ, enjoy.
I love rickshaw rides.
I love
I think rickshaw is like, पता है बॉम्बे में ना अगर कैब लेनी है तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, it's pointless. मेरे घर के पास कैब मिलने में भी टाइम लगता है तो मैं रिक्शा. Also रिक्शा like कहीं पे घुस के जल्दी जल्दी पहुंचा देते हैं.
बिल्कुल. Yeah. So you were saying something.
Yeah. I actually want to know, do you have like a deal breaker in a relationship? What's your deal breaker? Or do you have any pet peeves? Like ये बंदी अगर ये कर रही है ना तो मतलब irritating हो जाता है.
I
Like
think.
you can't stand it.
Yeah, I think you have to trust your partner, and checking your partner's phone is a big red flag. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think when you have that trust, even if my partner asks for my phone, I would give it to her. Okay, you can check it. But in just that thought of, I think, like if the thought just comes all the time to her कि अरे आज भी दिखाओ phone क्या
अगर वो रोज रोज चेक
रोज
करिए
हाँ. Then it becomes a thing of okay, do you trust me or do you not? Because then if there's no trust in the relationship, then you don't know how it's gonna turn out to be.
there needs to be a lot of trust.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, but I noticed your wallpaper.
हाँ ये.
Yeah, I know the Guruji. My mom also follows him. I
What?
also do.
Wow.
Yeah.
So अब हम घर पे ले लो सर मम्मी से मिलाता हूँ. So listen, तुम पागल नहीं हो? How much पागल?
Very much pagal.
How much? Very much पागल.
Very much pagal.
Very much पागल. पागल. Me पागल, you पागल.
You pagal, me pagal.